Hi, Stuart here from Diamond Motorsports. Welcome to this edition of the Diamond Mine. Again, it's July. So what's July mean? 4th of July. 4th of July means picnics, barbecues, beach, a day off, all these things that we get. But remember, it's really about our forefathers declaring independence and adopting the Declaration of Independence. And that's what we're really celebrating. But if you're looking for ways to have fun this 4th of July, come see us. We'll show you some ways to do that. Alvin, I'm checking inventory today. Have you seen how many scooters we have?
We've got a few.
You okay with that?
I think we're right where we need to be on that.
I think we got way too many.
No, I still think we're good.
Well, I don't. Alan's on vacation next week, so I'm going to have a scooter sale. Save $300 and up on any in-stock scooter. That's July 3rd through the 7th. Just remember, we're not here on Wednesday because that's a holiday, but save, again, $300 and up on any in-stock scooter. Now, I did some checking. We're not only overstocked in scooters, we got a few more watercraft than I would like. So again, next week, while Alvin's out, that's July 3rd through the 7th. We're closed on Wednesday for the holiday. $400 off any Coast Guard package watercraft. That's a watercraft, that's the trailer, that's the numbers, that's a Delaware registration, that's your life vest, that's everything you need to get in the water. $400 off next week. Perfect time to get in the water. The temperature's going to be high. Great time to get out there and have some fun.
$400?
Yeah, haven't you got something else to do? Get ready for vacation or something.
Good Lord.
You heard that. Next week, July 3rd through the 7th.
Just want to take a little bit of time to talk to you about the scooter life. Everybody knows the weather's warming up. If you're looking for great miles per gallon, you know, some of these scooters can get up to 95 miles per gallon. So if you have a little ride to work and want to save a little money on some fuel, it's time to get involved with the scooter life. We've got Metropolitans, Forzas, we've got Agility 50s. We can accessorize them for you. We can put trunks on them so you can carry some luggage around. Please stop in and see us. Don't miss out on the scooter life. You're going to let this weather pass you right by.
Howdy folks, Mike Rush here, Diamond Motorsports Service. You know, every day we get phone calls from customers who just need information. What are my tire pressures? How much oil does my bike hold? Do I need high test gas? You know, every machine we sell at Diamond, you get an owner's manual jam-packed with information you can use. What are my tire pressures? Let's look. It's on page 133. Do I need high test gas? It's right here, page 147. And last but not least, why is Diamond Motorsports so awesome? Well, you're not going to find that in the owner's manual. It's just a fact. We are a force of nature here to take care of you. Come down and see us. Thanks. See you next time.
Just want to let you know about the Kawasaki Ninja 300. These are 2017 leftovers that we have. There are some really, really great incentives that Kawasaki has on these motorcycles right now. You want to talk about another great commuter bike with great miles per gallon. If you're looking to save a little bit of money, find a sweet deal on a Kawasaki Ninja 300, stop in to see Alvin at Diamond Motorsports. Thanks. While we're on the subject of commuter bikes, we just spoke about the Kawasaki Ninja 300. Now I'm sitting on the Kawasaki Ninja 400. Kawasaki decided they did so well with the 300, they wanted to up you a little bit and give you a 400. Again, you get great miles per gallon. Kawasaki has some aggressive financing specials on these motorcycles right now. And if you're looking for something that's a lot of fun to ride and it's not going to break the bank, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 is the bike for you. Stop in to see us at Diamond Motorsports. Let me talk to you about a sweet 2018 Honda Grom. This is a 125cc motorcycle. We seem to be selling a lot of them for people that want to save a little bit of money
How much fun it is.
To save a little bit of money on fuel. You can still have a lot of fun with them, and you're going to get great miles per gallon.
Tell them how much fun it is.
I'm getting there. Accessories. People are putting crazy grips on them. They're putting sticker kits, decals on them. They're putting exhaust on them. They're doing all kinds of super, super cool stuff to these things. I even know people that ride this as their main bike every single day. So if you really want something cool, something fun, and you want to have fun on it, come look us up and check out a Honda Grom.
Hey guys, it's Bruce from Diamond. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of being protected. Okay, so as you can see, most of my time is spent here in the F&I office. Once in a while I get a chance to have off. And this time I went to the beach. I did not listen to my fellow co-workers and friends as I'm at the beach as they're applying suntan lotion and sunscreen. I just didn't do it. So what happened? I got burnt because I wasn't protected. So if you want, come see me for your motorcycle needs, so this way you're not burnt like I am. If you need a tire and wheel service, if you need your prepaid maintenance up front, if you need your service contract, please come see me. And don't end up like me. You don't want to get burnt. Thanks, guys.
Guys, it's Steve from Diamond Motorsports again. I wanted to show you some of the new products that we have in stock here at the store. First is the HJC Punisher Helmet, new from HJC. We just got these in last week. Then we've got the HJC Hulk Helmet, also just got these in. Then we have the Icon AIRFLITE Helmet. This one has the optional gold shield on it. Is that cool or what? And then we have the Icon Airframe MECHANICA helmet. This one comes with the mirrored shield and a cleared shield. We also have earbuds for your phone. They're specifically designed for use on a motorcycle. Very small, fit in your ears real easy. Great for using your phone to listen to music or to take calls. 20 bucks. And we have the Senna communication system designed specifically for the Shoei Neotech 2. Those just came in, got those literally yesterday. And last but not least, we have Speed and Strength Kevlar armored jeans. I have a pair of these. I love them. They're a little bit cooler than, wearing a full armored suit, but they still protect you if you do happen to come off, which hopefully never happens to you. All right, guys, come on down and see us. We got a lot of new stuff. For all you do-it-yourselfers out there, I think most of us do a very good job of changing our engine oil when we should. But the other fluid on the bike have a tendency to get neglected. Don't forget to change your clutch fluid, your brake fluid, and your diff fluid, and of course your coolant. Follow the recommendations in your owner's manual, but as a minimum, every 2 years for the clutch and brake and the diff, 3 years on the coolant. Come on down and see us. We've got everything you need to maintain your bike. The July ride, Sunday ride, will be on the 8th, leaving the store at 10:30, and we're going to ride over to St. Michael's, have lunch, and come on back. We should be back probably about 4:30 or so. Come on out and join us, and don't forget about the Thursday happy hour rides, 7 to 8.
Well, that's it for this edition of Diamond Mind. Appreciate you watching. Remember, we're closed on Wednesday the 4th, so our families can celebrate together. And from everyone at Diamond Motorsports, we'd like to wish you a happy 4th of July. And remember, Alan's on vacation next week. Come see me for a deal.
Diamond Motorsports, fueling your passion for adventure.